Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can sharpen an image using Canva. And there will be two methods that I'm about to show you. The first method is we are going to be using the basic sharpening and the clarity tools in Canva. And for the second method, we are going to utilize an AI tool to essentially increase the sharpness of an image. So let's start with the first technique, which I think it's a lot easier and the result is not disappointing. So what you need to do is you have to click on the image and go to edit. And after that, click adjust, scroll to the bottom and you'll see these texture options. We are going to be playing around with the sharpness and clarity parameters. So I'm going to increase the sharpness by maybe around 40 to 50%. And I'm going to increase the clarity to around maybe 20, and this is the result. So basically you have to play around with these numbers, and of course there is no specific value that you have to follow. You have to do it on your own. You have to decide which level or which setting will work the best for your photo. Just to give you a comparison, this is the original picture and this is the sharpened picture. As you can see, I can definitely distinguish the details on his face, and also this is so blurry. The whole picture is blurry, but this picture is a bit sharper compared to the original picture. So that was for the first method. The second method is we are going to be using an AI tool, specifically an upscaler tool, to expand or increase the dimension size of the image. Now it's not meant to add sharpness to the image, but while doing so, when you are upscaling an image, it will introduce more details on the image, because AI is essentially taking information from the picture and then it will add more details as needed. And when we shrink the image back to the original size, it's going to look slightly sharper than the original shape, or sorry, from the original image. Let me show you how you can do it. First, you have to click on the image and then you can go to edit, and on the app section you want to click image upscaler. And sorry about that, this is the previous generation. Okay, so I'm going to set the upscale resolution to be twice and I'm going to click upscale. So AI will try to upscale this image, and usually this process will only take less than a minute. So I'm going to just fast forward to give you the result. All right, we got this result, and it's giving us the before and after preview, and it's kind of difficult to see the difference because the box is very small. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace to essentially replace this image with the upscaled picture. Okay, this is the result, and yeah, as I mentioned earlier, we probably not going to see much of difference. I think it's slightly sharper, but it's definitely not as sharp as the first method. The first method is way better because we are intentionally making the image sharper, but the second method is to make the resolution of the image higher, but not necessarily mean that it's going to be sharper. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And yeah, I guess the first method is going to be better, but in some cases maybe you want to use the second method. So anyway, if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.